Welcome back everyone. You may be having some issues with your specific Xbox voice chat or party chat not working. Now this can happen for a couple of different reasons, but I will tell you, if a lot of people are watching this video at one time, this may actually mean that your specific Xbox account or the Xbox servers may actually be down for the time being. So what I would recommend doing is looking in the comment section of this video and sorting by the latest comments, or you can make your way over to like downdetector.com or even the official Xbox, Twitter handle or their Xbox support Twitter handle and see if they mention anything about, hey, the servers are down, we're fixing it, whatever. Most of the time, I would say 100% of the time, whenever there's an issue, a lot of people are finding ways to fix this. And the fastest way to do this is actually by going through and, going to their account pages and everything and seeing if the servers are down. If the servers are down, there's literally nothing you can do, and you pretty much just have to wait until somebody comes and, fixes those servers. However, if nobody mentions anything about those servers being down and it doesn't seem like it's an issue anywhere else, well, what I would recommend doing here is to actually make sure that your network connection and your internet connection is actually good. If you're using a wired connection, that's a little bit different, but you want to make sure that your area that you're in is still getting Wi-Fi. There's been a lot of, points across the world where sometimes, the Wi-Fi will randomly go down and they're scrambling to try to fix the problem. Sometimes this could just be as easy as rebooting the router. So you want to go up to your Wi-Fi router, reboot it, and if your other devices get Wi-Fi and your Xbox gets Wi-Fi, but the voice chat still isn't working and your party chat and everything's not working either, you may want to go ahead and either reboot your specific application or you can go and reboot your Xbox as well. That's another thing you can do. I haven't seen it happen too many times where this could be the issue, but this is another thing you can do, and by this point you should be fixed. If you're still experiencing issues, I'd recommend rewatching this video or maybe contacting Microsoft and see if they can fix it for you. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.